Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw some icicles. Let's start off by drawing a house scene for our icicles. Start with two horizontal lines up here for the bottom of the roof. Then, connect those ends on the left with a short vertical line. And from the corner, a line going up to the right like so. Underneath the roof, draw a long line coming straight down to the wall, followed by a big rectangle to the right for a window. Inside the rectangle, draw 6 short vertical lines down the middle. Then, make those into boxes for the window panes. I like to draw the middle lines first to make sure they're all even. Now we can draw our icicles. Start with a slightly shaky line coming down from the roof like so, that comes to a tip and goes back up. I'm going to draw this one with 3 points. Make each icicle slightly different so it looks more realistic. I'm going to draw this one with a pointed tip and one rounded nub like the tip just broke off. And keep doing that all along the roof. Icicles form when the snow on the roof melts and the water slowly drips down, but freezes back before it falls. To add some detail to our icicles, draw some really thin, wavy lines across them for some texture as the water freezes layer by layer. Some of these can even look droopy like the icicle is melting. That's looking pretty good. Next, we can add some detail to our scene. First, extend the bottom of the window out to the right and left a tiny bit, followed by a line that comes down and across before turning back up like so for a windowsill. On the roof, add some thin horizontal lines across it for the roof texture. And at the bottom of the wall, draw a line that sweeps up to here like so for a mound of snow. Another line sweeping down here, and a line sweeping up here as well. Up here, add a slightly wavy horizontal line for the horizon. And add some pine trees in the distance. To learn how to draw a pine tree, check out our other video linked in the description below. To finish it off, add one more wavy line here for another mound of snow. And now you've got some icicles. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.